Hello Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love reading for the first week of February, starting from February 3rd to February 9th. Okay, your cards are already out. I would like to tell you that there is a Hindi channel specially available. This is only English for people who are more comfortable in English language or who are outside India. Okay, this will be your exclusive love reading. So if you have a love related question, whether you are in a situationship, relationship, marriage, any complicated situation, you can ask yourself, you can think about the person and then watch this reading. You will definitely get the answer. Okay. I would like to tell you, since this is a new channel, that I also do personal readings and oracle love readings for all those who are in no contact. Personal readings are related to career, health, or any love question that you have. Oracle readings are exclusive love only. So please, you can check out the charges in my description box or on my channel. You can either DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, or you can email me as well at athasharma842@gmail.com. Okay. Let's start your reading. You've got the Neophyte and the Moon card, and you've got the Eight of Stars and the One of Suns. Now, first of all, I do see that a lot of you have been hurt in the past. Okay, you have been sad. You have been, somebody betrayed you, somebody lied to you, cheated on you. So you are somewhere still stuck in that overthinking pattern, in that trust issues, right? You are a very practical person. You don't want to be impulsive, and you don't want to just meet someone and jump to into a relationship, right? Or just meet someone and trust them. So I do see you being very, very careful. So much so that you're not ready to meet anyone right now. It could be that you're hurt from the past recent breakup or breakup which has taken place a long, long time ago. To others of you who are in a situationship, relationship or marriage, I do see that someone, your partner, is not being honest with you, right? It can be you who is not being honest, but I do see that it's your partner who's not being honest with you. They don't have the purest of the intentions, and they might be betraying you, stabbing you in the back. So, or it might not be a big issue, but definitely they are hiding something from you. So Aquarius, my advice will be that in the first week, please be very careful. If your intuition is saying that there is something wrong with the person, or they're lying to me, or they're hiding something, please beware. Listen to your intuition. You might even be getting dreams regarding this person or the situation. Please listen and follow the dreams as well. Okay, one second. Second card that I see is a card of Eight of Stars. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini Sun, Moon, or Rising, or you could have a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising in your chart as well. Not necessary, but this sign popped up, so I'm telling you. I do see, yes, again, a negative pattern, a negative thinking where you have sort of isolated yourselves. You are not ready to meet and mingle with the people again, right? Because you're so hurt. You're carrying that hurt, you're carrying that negative feeling with you. Now, the cards are saying don't give up hope, because I do see some of you have given up hope on your relationship or your personal life, you know, completely. The cards are saying you will too have a new beginning, right? You will have a new beginning as well. You just have to give it time. So if you are going to sow negative seeds, you're only going to get negative results. So first and foremost, in order to move forward, in order to find someone better or somebody to come to you, attract somebody better, you have to come out of your negative thinking and you have to start thinking positive. This is a card which gives you hope, and definitely your new beginning is very near. Okay, so please stop thinking negative. To all those who are single out there, there is much better new beginning which is waiting for you. Okay, and this beginning is going to give you, or this person that is coming to you now will give you a lot of stability as well. So this is a beautiful card for you to give you hope, not just to make you feel better, but this actually is going to happen soon. So please change your energies, start thinking positively, and then you see the change. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think that yes, this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know. Take care of yourself. DM or email me for personal bookings or oracle love readings, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.